Hey guys, welcome to our channel. 20 divided by 5 divided by 20 divided by 5. Please subscribe if you like this video. 20 divided by 5 gives us 4 and 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. Now 4 divided by 4 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we know that when we have more than one division in one expression we have to solve from left to right. Now 20 divided by 5 gives us 4 and 4 divided by 20 equals 4 over 20. Now 4 over 20 divided by 5. According to the KCF, that is keep first fraction, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication and flip the next fraction. Now keep first fraction 4 over 20, change division to multiplication and flip the next fraction. 5 over 1, 1 over 5. Now we have this expression. We can simplify. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 and 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. Now we have one fraction. 1 times 1 gives us 1 and 5 times 5 equals 25. So the final answer is 1 over 25. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.